Does that make sense? This is a Lego movie kit, and we're going to make a movie with it. When you look at the back of the box, it shows you it already has the scene and their characters that they have to make your movie, and you need your iPhone to download the app. They come with their own characters that we have to build, and they come with little strings so your fingers don't get in the way. As you can see, I already downloaded the Lego Movie Maker app, so let's get started. Let's get started. Let's open this baby. This is going to be so cool. I just can't wait. So we got bag 2, bag 3, our template for the ground, I think. Here is our big instructions. Oh, and here's our screen right here. What else do we have? We have, okay, we got bag 1. This is cool. So these are all our like Lego templates. We have one more. So let's make that 4 templates. These are 2 of our Lego scenes. And these are our instructions with all the Lego pieces that you can build. And here is our screen. And look on the back of it. It has like a cool one that has like a cool castle and all that stuff. First bag, we're going to open 1 and 2. So let's open the bag. So bag 1. This is kind of vicious cutting. Okay, it comes with more pieces. And some of these pieces are for so you can move your characters. Now, bag number 2, here we come. Oh, guys, it's okay. The first thing we're going to do is build our stage. Look at the stage so far. Look what we did with it so far. Look, now we're going to put on our background on our stage. So let's run this. Oh, I got it this time. And then put this up here. Put this one up here. And voila! Let's lock the picture on. So we get this one. And okay, but this one is try to get the piece out. So this is where you put your cell phone at, and this moves back and oh no, it moves side to side. And this moves so the person can walk back and forth, back and forth. Now that we're done building all our pieces, I'm going to show you what are the pieces we have. We have the 2 spaceships, we have the girl version and the boy version, and we also have a monster that opens his mouth. See, he goes up and down, up and down. And we have an angry Unikitty because she's red. Rawr. We have a vehicle that looks like it can drive, but it can't. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And we also have our people. We have the one that has the star under it, one that has So when it's this one, you put this one, you clip it up. See? I'm gonna pull it here, and now it won't like fall, but it looks like it's heavy. Now for the boy one, you put it right here. And guys, this one has a dinosaur inside. Isn't that awesome? Now that we're done hooking up our spaceships, I'm going to show you how we move them. For this one, you can put it facing down, and then it can go up and down. That one, hang it up, and then the boy one, you swing it right here, and then they can like come and try to hit each other. Watch this. This is really cool. Now I'm going to show you how our characters move. So, what you need to do is push this in a little bit and put that person right there. And now you can move it. See? Wait. Grab onto the red thing and move them. Now the red sticks that you can see right here with the red bottom, they help your character move without them seeing your hands. See, look. This thing is where you put your iPhone, and right here. You see right here, guys? This is where you put your iPhone. Now, let's set up our scene before we put our iPhone in. Now let's put in our iPhone. You can see the characters through the iPhone. Isn't that cool? This is how you move your character through the scene. Watch this. You could see I can bring the spaceship down. You can see I can bring different characters in. Now I'm going to show you how we do our movie. You have to click this circle button. Rawr, hello, mateys. I'm here. Pew, 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 pew. Car, roll! The Queen is here today. Now we're done filming our movie. Now we're going to show you how we do our special effects. So let me see. Which one can I use? So, now I'm adding special effects. Now we're going to save our movie. Let's watch the video.
Everything is
was awesome. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.